Recently, we heard a particularly horrifying case of food poisoning. A man was hospitalized for 3 weeks with high fever and the doctors couldn't figure out what was wrong with him. Leptospirosis is a bacterial illness that is caused by the bacteria Leptospira, and it is spread by rodents and it's found in their urine and their feces. So the symptoms of leptospirosis are high-grade fever, vomiting, nausea, diarrhea, difficulty breathing, shaking and tremors, and it can also cause liver and kidney damage. Leptospirosis isn't the only illness that rodents can spread. They can also spread the plague, Hanter fever, Lassa fever, lymphocytic choriomeningitis and salmonellosis. Rodent-borne illnesses can be caused by coming in contact with the droppings of the infected rodent, the carcass of the infected rodent, or by breathing in dust that's contaminated with the rodent's urine or feces. So we spoke to some food inspectors about these food contaminants. A food safety officer from the Sindh Food Authority told us that they carry out inspections on a daily basis. However, this kind of contamination is usually discovered during their surprise raids. They also find things like ammonia, pesticides and rat poison. Now, ammonia can be very damaging to the airways and it can prove to be fatal if taken in high amounts. And rat poison and pesticides are something that can kill instantaneously. We talked to a retired food inspector who used to work for the KMC, and he told us that the shadiest mithai shops were found in Jacob Lines, New Karachi and Kurangi. Along with that, he said usually the kind of contamination they find is in atta, chai ki patti, ghee and haldi. Now, overfried oil or ghee is something we'll discuss in another video.